When you create a place with someone that's sacred and that you think is just shared between you two, if that is then taken away from you or opened up in a way that you didn't expect, you start to put up walls for fear that that'll happen again. The song is about that place of illusion that we fall into where in love we're blinded and we think that we're the only ones and that it's just this little safe bubble that you create with someone. There's this conversation that takes place between two people, and one is asking someone to come exactly as they are, to allow them to be intimate, allow them to be open. And so often we fall for that, and when we find out that it wasn't as pure as you thought, it can be really difficult to let yourself be vulnerable again. Vulnerability is so important to me. I think it's so crucial to the human experience that we open ourselves up and that we be real with people and that we be raw with people and we let them see ourselves as we are. But it's also one of the hardest things to do. It's so much better to walk through life having given that and having opened that space up to someone